Hello and welcome guys to Names Brun. This name is deeplinks.com. I don't find it any good. Now look at there are 20 hours left. Okay, this is going to end. So $1,775 is the current bid. The estimated value is $12,000 and 143 visit. Look at the amount of bids it's getting. 66 bids and 25 bidders on this. This is pretty huge, okay? And there are auto bidders too. Now, what's the reason these types of domain names are catching fire? First of all, this is deep. Okay, deep is actually the keyword that is trending a lot these days simply because of DeepSeek. So I have told you about when certain keywords trend, the companies switch and upgrade names, and not only the companies, even people who start with the new startups, something related to that, and even if that is not totally their field, they would buy such names. Now, if you I'll give you an example. If you don't know about DeepSeek, for the ones who remember Lenskart, okay, every other company had a cart after their name. Lenskart, health cart, so many carts, okay. I mean, so many carts, and then so many baskets, and then every company is turning into AI. Now DeepSeek is trending these days, so deep links, obviously. Now how about a company doing all the stuff related to the links? I mean, there can be so many things done, and we cannot actually guess, but maybe something related to the digital marketing agency, this can work. So let's just scroll down and see. DeepSeek is a perfect digital marketing agency specializing in SEO and content strategies. The name is, okay, linking strategies that enhances website visibility. Yeah, so deep links, and this is strange. This was first created on 25 years ago, 2000. So I don't know what to say about this, but since I am seeing that deep link, the keyword that is deep seek or deep sea, if you've heard about that, deep sea got sold, and the names that have deep in it are trending and they are selling, and people are using such name for their companies. All right, so deep links, this is deep links. All right, so the deep links first got sold for $4,999. This is actually a good price that it got sold for. I don't think so it might go anywhere. There are only 20 hours left for this auction to end, so I don't believe it will be going there. So now deeplinks.com and deeplink.biz, deeplink.notes.net, less than $100, and deep notes, deep watch, deep sight. So there was a time, I would say, when DeepSeek officially launched their platform. Everyone was rushing on those platforms. They were so heavy on the users that not every people could access back then, I guess, a month or so. Even I wanted to check and see their AI tools, but I couldn't. So this was the reason it trended so much, that there was a wave of everyone registering their names with such things. Because who doesn't want to ride those waves, right? Ride those tides if it is benefiting the company. Why not? So this is what it is. You gotta tell me, what do you think about this? Would you ever go with the trends and register such names, or you will stay calm and do what is needed? So another thing. So why would a company change? Now, this is kind of a very much what I call it a Gen Z appeal kind of thing. Now, look, the companies don't change. They rebrand themselves, isn't it? You would see the logos of certain companies that have changed over the past couple of years. A lot of things change, okay, but the things remain the same, but they rebrand themselves. So this is why these types of keywords, when they trend, the company, they rebrand themselves. How, you already know, Twitter rebranded itself and changed its name to Twitter and to X, from Twitter to X. All right, sorry, yeah. So when this happened, there was a wave, okay, AIX, people registering, all those names, but it was ending with an X, with a X, okay. Yeah, so this is what happens. I mean, so many names. Okay, developed X. I mean, so many X. So many X. So this is what happens when certain companies, they they just create a wave, and all the different companies just ride on it, and they benefit from it. So this is what it is. I hope this helps. This puts something inside of you. I know I'm a little sick right now. I'm a little unwell, but I'll be fine. I'm not uploading any videos, but the videos are coming, okay? So you guys should not miss any auctions. And if you're the one who's learning domains, okay, not just a company or a business person who is just trying to register something, you should always learn. Check these videos, okay? You can obviously enter this in the URL and check where this domain auction ends. So I hope this helps. If this puts something inside of you, you gotta tell me that. And if you need any help with the domains, you can check my description. I hope you have a very good day.